안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome to another cooking video. In this video, I'm going to be making another Korean dish called Kimchibokkeumbap, which is also known as Kimchi Fried Rice. Stay tuned. So guys, this meal kit is donated by the Korean Food Promotion Institute through the Korean Cultural Center, Nigeria. It's alright. It's alright. Now for this rice, you have to be very careful not to add too much water. Monitor and stir the rice to avoid stickiness, and when you have your preferred texture, stop the cooking. Rinse again with cold water to remove any sticky starch residue. So I've just made a Korean dish called Kimchibokkeumbap, and this is it says here Kimchibokkeumbap is made stir-fried cooked rice with finely chopped kimchi. The spicy taste of kimchi balances the greasy taste of fried rice. So I'm not gonna lie, I started having taste of this while I was cooking, and I can't actually wait to eat the entire meal. Yeah, let's go. This is so good. This is so good. So this isn't normal Nigerian jollof rice where you, excuse me, oh my god, where you actually parboil the rice and then cook the rice with the broth, the tomato broth that you have made, and then it makes the jollof rice. No, the rice was cooked separately and the sauce was made separately, and then I mixed everything into fry, and I still get this taste. Mm? Yummy! You should try this. Oh my god. Come on. No way. This is crazy.